Currently, we have one parent and 11 children, and the CSS is pretty basic. I'm just giving margin and padding and the background color. So parent has this particular background color, and children are white. Okay, and they're just having numbers into the children. So this is how the page looks at zoom level 100%. Now I will just increase the zoom level so that it is more readable to us. Now if you notice, as the page size decreases, or whatever you say, let us say the view width decreases or the zoom level increases, when there is not sufficient space for all the children to accommodate within that particular width, then they get trapped. And this is because we have used display equal to flex, flex direction equal to row, and flex wrap direction is wrap. Okay, so what this means is when your flex axis direction is row like this, that means from left to right horizontally, then always the flex wrap direction is top to bottom vertically. Okay, so when your flex direction is row, then flex wrap direction is always column. Okay, and here if we give wrap reverse, then it will again be column, but it will be column reverse. That means column from bottom to top. So let us refresh the page. This is how it will be. Okay, from 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8, it will keep escalating towards the top. Okay, so this was pretty basic about flex direction and flex wrap. Now instead of writing these two things, I can simply write one thing, and that is flex flow. So this is kind of a shorthand of writing flex direction and flex wrap. And here, since my wrap direction is wrap reverse, I can just copy this and I can put this over here, that is wrap reverse. Okay, now let us see that in action. So the page should still show me just like this. Okay, so let me reload the page. As you see, the page is still showing me the same thing. Again, if instead of using reverse wrap, if I use a simple wrap, then also it will be from 1 2 3, and in this way it will keep escalating downwards. So let us see that in action. Yes, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is escalating towards the bottom. Similarly, needless to say, you can have the flex direction as column, and let us say flex flow as wrap or wrap reverse. Okay, so there are four combinations. uh, Now, an important part over here to remember is how to remember the name flex flow. So, this is my tip to remember. See, it is a shorthand for these two properties, flex direction and flex wrap, right? So D and W makes F, okay? So I remember it like draw the flow, okay? Draw the flow. D and W makes F. So draw the flow. So this was a quick refresher about what is flex flow.